Hello, my name is Jackson, and today we're going to talk about the extra options in SE16N. Here in the transaction SE16N that we use to see the tables, select and extract tables data in SAP, we have this option of extra. Many consultants never use this, but it's very interesting options. So from here you can use the where used list that you usually use in the SE11 to see all the programs that calls this table. Also we have the same icons here, okay? From the where user list we can check all the program, class, interface, etc. related to this table. So this can take time since it is a table that's very used in many programs. So finally we can see all the classes, interface, program that is used and use this table. Okay, we have many programs, that's why this take a long time. Here we can activate a technical view. So this is useful when you are creating functional specification and sometimes you need to inform the ABAPer how many characters have this field in the first-party table. So you can check right here the characters, the data elements and more technical data related to this table. You can see here more technical information related to this table. Going back to the extras, you can click in multiple entry, and here this will open another pop-up to do a multiple selection data. So if you think this is not enough, you can have other selection criteria with the same fields of this table and run the selections. Another interesting option is create a batch variant to run some jobs or batch programs. And finally, you can change the settings. There are some settings here, but I think the most important or that I usually use is activate the technical view. You can also exchange this column. For example, if you click technical column name leads, the technical fields will be first in the view. So to deactivate, you just click here. And also the number of hits, if you always want more than 500, you can put like 1000 or any other number that you prefer. And here we have other options to, after you select the data, you can drill down, clicking in the line of the results to go to other table select. You have these options here to drill down any value that was selected during the process of the selection in the table. Okay. So all these options are very interesting for analysis and create functional specifications, etc. So you don't need to go to other transactions, you can do everything inside SE16N. And finally, the last option here is display change documents. So you can put, for example, a certain user and check the dates and put also to check all the database chains. So you don't need to do through the table CD CHAR or CD polls that we usually use to check the modification in the tables. You can do this here and process. This can take a time if this table has a lot of chains, of course. This can be quite slow. And here finally we can see all the chains in this table, or change it in the transactions. So the start date, the user, the table that was changed. Of course I didn't select only Mara, so that's why it brings more information. And the timestamp, So if I can go back and put only Mara, that's the basic data view for materials, I can see only the chains for this table. Also here we can see the number of entries easily without a process, and select all the fields or unselect all the fields and just select some fields that we really want to see and process. And finally we can extract these for a spreadsheet or any other format. So we can go here and select for the spreadsheet and select, and go on to select the directory that we want to save this file. This is the basic LLV options that all the LLV transactions have, okay, to export the file. Then, if you like this video, please subscribe our channel and stay tuned for the next SAP quick tips. Thank you and see you next time.